Our tough guy culture is blatantly thieving the natural process we use for grieving. We can't cry because it makes us weak. On an unconscious level, it's the same showing your teeth. When you first see a person stretch a grin, it registers to you that they're not threatening. So don't smile. Don't cry. Don't back down from a fight. We're mass conditioned in a culture built on immigrants' plight. But we got here and began putting up walls like we'll take the best or no one at all. But the catch to that is self-righteousness because we think we're the best. That's the trickiest twist. I heard that America is the home of the hypocrite. Biased half-truths in the media full of shit and half-wit. We buy into the wars, consume and pollute, abandon the search for life's little truths, because the television occupies an innovative child's mind. Get them young, put their priorities on track. Little Billy wants a gun, but first a Big Mac so he can defend his land of the free. But none of it makes sense to me. We're all born naked and trusting. And we're all going to die before the guns even start rusting. We should all love each other. The old hippies message. Each second passing is a step in the direction of release from this earth, and we're all going to go. We should all love each other on that notion alone. I look to gray skies and clouds begin raining. This is shit through my eyes, but no good comes from complaining.